Hello friends, welcome to Unacademy, which is the largest online education platform for GATE Computer Science Information Technology. Myself Mallesham, Devasane. In this session, I'll be helping you how to identify the deterministic CFLs, context-free languages, and also not context-free languages. So this is what we are going to do in this session. And before starting this session, let me help you to guide what is the importance of the plus and iconic subscription on Unacademy and what we are doing on Unacademy, how our sessions are going to help you in on YouTube or on Unacademy. So let me promote myself. That is, I'm working as an educator on Unacademy. You can visit my profile unacademy.com/devagatecse, and this is my referral code to access my free classes, as well as you can go for any free classes are on Unacademy with the same code, and you can take the subscription using DEVALIVE to access any class from any educator or an Unacademy. So that is the benefit of DEVALIVE. So one more benefit is you will get 10% discount. That's a common thing from every code, and additionally you can access all my classes freely on an Unacademy too. Okay. Yeah, this is my referral code DEVALIVE. If you wanted to visit Unacademy and you want to learn more from us, and this is the best thing that you have DEVALIVE as a referral code to access free classes, as well as you may take the subscription on Unacademy. Okay, there are two kinds of subscriptions, a plus and iconic. Plus and iconic. The plus, you have live classes and you can go to any course from any educator, and you have a lot of educators on Unacademy. If you take the plus subscription using referral code, you are able to access any live class on Unacademy. Okay, and apart from that, any batch that we launch, crash course or rank improvement batch or any batch, you can attend, and weekly test and doubt solving session and test series 2, and additionally you have both courses English and Hindi. And now iconic is a newly launched all benefits of plus. Additionally, we will have a personal coach and study planner, booster sessions and test analysis and a preparation with a separate study material. And these are the benefits of iconic. Absolutely, the plus is more beneficial, and iconic, those people who wanted to get a guidance and they want to guarantee they want to crack the GATE exam with a confidence, then the iconic is the best plan. And these are nearly 400 classes are completely free on Unacademy. You can access all of them, guys. Right? So many sessions taken. All these are for you. Just visit my profile and use referral code if needed. DEVALIVE is the referral code, and you can access all the free classes. Not only mine. You can go to any educator and you can access the free classes using this referral code. Okay. So now, how do you go to the Unacademy? www.unacademy.com and choose the goal as per your interest. If you are from GATE and ESE, choose this goal, and before that log in using DEVALIVE referral code. And then if you wanted to go for free classes, you can search any free class that you wanted to, and if you want to take the subscription, click on here and go to the plus or iconic and look at the options what you have in the plus and iconic. Right, you can study. Just now I told you best educators we have on Unacademy, India's best educators, live classes, structured courses, and also at the end of class you will also get a material and PDF and live tests and quizzes. And here in iconic, additionally a coach and a one-to-one interaction with every educator and test analysis, study planner, many more. And you have presently and more educators too. I have only listed the top educators on Unacademy, and Vishwali sir, myself, and Khalil sir, Satish sir, Pankaj sir, and Sanchit sir, Guntur sir, and Sweta ma'am, and Venkat sir, and many more educators are joining soon, and you will be surprised soon with more educators. Just be ready and access all the courses right now. Use the referral code and log in and take this plus and iconic subscription as soon as possible and stay ahead of the competition. And this is what, don't wait for January, Feb, and start taking the subscription and start preparing, because already you have enough number of courses and many more are going to join, already joined, and you will be accessible to every course on Unacademy too. Okay guys. these are the plans, plus you have 1.5 year, three popular plans, and also 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. And if you are having less time, you want to attend the test series or any revision courses, then 1, 3, 6 months are recommended. And these are the very popular plans. Use DEVALIVE referral code and you can just go for the subscription. Iconic also, you have very popular plans, 1 year, 2 years, and choose the amount, choose the plan and look at the amount before taking the subscription, and also enter the code DEVALIVE. And if you are aware of this channel and you have almost every subject in GATE exam is taken, or is some of them are already taken, 60% of the syllabus, and remaining are started and going to start soon. And if you wanted to attend my free classes, something is happening, like this is about 2 days. You have set theory next. After this class, 9:30 p.m. you have the special session on set theory, that is inside that relations. So I'm going to talk about types of relations and how to find the number of relations on Unacademy. If you want to access my classes, you can come here and you can watch today. And let's begin the theory of computation. What we have done so far, we have completed finite automata and then context-free grammar, then push-down automata. Right now we are going to move how to identify CFL and DCFL. How to identify CFL and DCFL, guys. Yeah, good evening, Shubhasri. Good evening. I'm sorry for late in this session because of there is urgent emergency meeting was there. Alright. And CFL and DCFLs. How to identify CFL? CFL means you will have a PDA exist, or you may have DPDA exist, or you may have a finite automata exist. Then definitely CFL it is. But your knowledge is important. If finite automata exists, it's also CFL because the language every regular is a CFL. But DCFL means DPDA definitely exists and finite automata exist, no doubt, and higher. But remember, not these things are very important. These things, DPDA or finite automata may or may not exist. Remember that. Not all the time, sometimes only. And DPDA means here finite automata may or may not exist. Because non-regulars also DCFLs. But what additionally exists? If PDA exists, in future Turing machine definitely exists. If DPDA exists, in future definitely PDA exists. In future definitely Turing machine exists. And so many machines are there for the same DCFL. But understand why we say DCFL. The reason is we have a DPDA, that is the reason we say that language is DCFL, guys. And if you are watching this video, please do not forget to like this session. Please like this session. If you forgot to like, please do that. Okay, let's begin. Okay, first language. And look at what kind of dependency we have. And look at here, if I have 3 A's, and definitely 3 A's are here, and if here 4 B's are there, definitely 4 B's are here. And connection is like, this A has to be here, and otherwise simply I can say this 3 A's you want to compare with this 3 A's somehow, and this 4 B's you have to compare with this 4 B's. Using stack, can you do this? Not possible. Using stack, it is not possible. This language is, you can say, no PDA exists for this. Even non-deterministic PDA also not exist. So it is not CFL, guys. Answer it, not CFL. But when this is CFL, note. I always keep a note. Remember what you might be thinking. A power m, b power m, and a power n, b power n. In this case, the dependency between this AB. Now even DPDA also exists. But not every time. You should be very, very careful. Why DPDA exists? Because both logics are same. First take care of equal A's and B's. Again A's comes. One more time take care of equal A's and B's. DPDA exists. Everybody, And this language is even DCFL. DCFL. But some languages are there. I will talk about that when the language is not DCFL. You have such situations, but keep a note in which situation you will have a DPD or PDA. Okay, I'll come to that point slowly. Second one, and guys, if I have 3 A's, then I have 3 B's, then I have 3 A's, I have 3 B's. Now here its relation is not just one or two symbols. The relation between all of them, all are dependent, not one, guys. All are dependent. But using the stack, you can check the dependency between 2 counts only. And I have to check all the counts equal. If you are only doing the dependency between 2 counts, then others might lose a dependency, guys. And this is also not a CFL. Stack, using stack, there is no logic. Using stack, deterministic no logic, non-deterministic also. Using one stack, remember we don't have 2 stacks here. You don't have 2 stacks. If you have a 2 stacks, you can do this problem. Yes. So clear? And also remember, no CFL. Not CFL means, remember, it is not a DCFL. And it means not regular. It means not finite. All will follow one after other. I no need to say not finite because already not CFL. So if it is not CFL, outside the CFL class means definitely, indirectly, outside the DCFLs class, outside the regulars class, outside the finite languages class. Remember that. Okay, next. And look at this point. You have dependency between this AB, dependency between this AB. So what you do? This A's you push. This B's you also push. But this A you pop. Which one? Whatever you have pushed here. And for this B's you are going to pop whatever you pushed here. So this is a DCFL. But how can you do that? You must have a knowledge of construction. Yes, Devraj. Okay, here I can't tell you CSL or not. Definitely it is CSL. But CSL we have not touched it. We have not touched it, so I can say not CFL. Most of the problems are context sensitive. Most of them. Only some are not context sensitive. We can discuss in the coming sessions. Okay. It is DCFL. But remember, it is not regular. Because there is a dependency here. And if it is DCFL, also it is a CFL. And so, you can speak it is CSL. But strict answer, remember, it is DCFL but not regular. So you can say CFL, CSL, anything higher one. Yeah, DPD exists. You can say like this. If DPD exists, implies PDA exists. Implies, even you can go for higher motion. You can say Turing motion also exists for this. So all are implied, guys. In future, they may give you DCFL. They will ask, do you have a Turing motion to accept it? Yes, you should say. Fine. Fourth one. Now again, you have 3 A's, 3 B's, 3 A's. And there are 3 counts here. There are 3 counts are depending. And using single stack, you can only check the dependency between 2 counts. So here, the same, and all are depending. All are depending. So there is no stack for this. No logic using stack, using single stack. So it is again not CFL. Yeah. Not CFL. There is no small c here. What are you thinking about? A power n, B power n, C power n. This is also not CFL. And just we have given A power n, B power n, A power n. It is also not CFL. But if anybody asks A power n, note, B power n, B power n. This is equal to A power n, B power 2n. This is DCFL. Be careful in that process. Yeah. Note, this is very important note for you. Note. And look at this one, other problems. Yeah. Next one. And try to have a relation, this two and this two. And here, if A's comes, the problem is how to understand. If anybody says, look at this problem. Note, let me check. Sorry guys, let me check. Yeah, you have a problem. So let me check. If I give you, let's say, 2 A's, tell me this 2 A's belongs to which A's? Is it belongs to, you have something in future. This 2 A's, is it belongs to which A? Which A? Is this belongs to this A's or belongs to this one? If it is the first one, B is equal to A's. If it is the second one, B's must be twice to the A's. Guys, it is not a DCFL. You have to take non-deterministic choice. This double A maybe belongs to A power n, B power n. In future, you may get this one when n greater than 0 and when n is equal to 0. It might happen A power m, B power 2m directly. That A's might be belongs to this. And here, you have to take non-deterministic choice. If this A's belongs to first A's, then logic is different. If this A's belongs to second A's, then logic is different. Because here B is going to change. Even though you push A's blindly, B you have to take the non-determinism. Either at A or B non-determinism happens. This is the CFL only, but not a DCFL. The reason is you cannot design a deterministic machine, guys. But non-deterministic you can design. How? Directly you can go A comma Z naught. Go to this one, push it, not a problem. Go to this one and take care of A power n, B power n. But here the first A's happened. N greater than 0 happened. And here A comma Z naught only, push it. But you know that here it is A power m, B power 2m only. After no more A, no more B. Yeah. So this is the reason it is a CFL. But without constructing knowledge, these questions cannot be answered. These questions cannot be answered, guys. Everybody, and you must have the construction knowledge to identify such languages. Hana, this is not the simple mathematics to identify the strings. Remember, behind the language, there is a construction going on inside. Okay, if you want to look at, I can do a lot of ways. First is, what I do is, I will push all the time. Yes comes. First, I can do something like this. First is, I push. Then B's, I am in problem. B's, this B might be belongs to this one. And this B might be belongs to this one. Then logics will be different, that's all. And how do you take the choice? That is different, remember. But same B, on top of the stack A, you have to take two different decisions. And another one, there are so many ways to design the problem, guys. So many ways. Directly you can take a decision. Okay, I can directly start with A power n, B power n, A power m, B power 2m, where n greater than 0. Another one, directly I will start with A power m, B power 2m, where n is equal to 0. I know that this is going to happen at any cost. So many PDAs are there. PDA 1 logic, PDA 2 logic. But in the exam, please don't waste the time to design the machine, because this kind of machines will take a lot of time. Rather, just say it is CFL but not DCFL. CFL but not DCFL. Clear this point? Yes, CFL but not DCFL. But you can design a PDA, but you can't design DPDA. No DPDA for this language. Only PDA exists now. Turing machine exists, no doubt. Now, let me talk about, before going to the next problem, which is very, very important problem. And anybody interested to take the Plus R Iconic subscription using DEVALIVE code, let me know. And what are the benefits you have with the DEVALIVE? And you can access to every educator course inside the Plus and Iconic. Whether it is my team or other team, doesn't matter on Unacademy. You are able to access every educator course on Unacademy. So it is your choice which educator course you want to enroll inside. But all courses are free once you take the subscription. Only the thing is, DEVALIVE benefit is to get 10% discount and also additionally you can get guidance from me. So I will help you to crack the exam whenever you are in trouble. So structured courses from all the educators, multiple courses for the same subject, multiple batches, unlimited learning. There is no limitation how many times you want to attend any batch. There is no limitation. And study as per your interest. Learn from top educators. Study with proper planning as per your knowledge. Otherwise, we will guide you if you take iconic subscription. Enjoy learning without losing confidence. And throughout the journey, your preparation is unimaginable, no doubt. So many benefits for you guys. Okay, let's move to the sixth one without wasting the time. And if you are watching this video, please like this session. And your likes are very important for us. Okay, now look at guys, greater than or equal 1. If I take 2a's, this 2a's definitely this one only, because n is definitely greater than or equal to 1. It means definitely comes. There is no situation that n is 0. N is 0, impossible. That means if you see the a, definitely that is the first a's. Next, this b's must be this one only. If you get again a's, then this a's must be this one only. And next has to be your logic, and this has to be this one only. Now there is no confusion guys, because of this one. That means you are guaranteed you need to push a's, you need to pop exactly same a's, and here push twice. You can push twice, and here you can pop a's by matching. Are you clear? Yes, you can do. This is a DCFL. Look at that. Both look same. Only one small change. Here, one is there in the previous language. If you look at, you have a 0 here. This 0 says that this can be epsilon. But that 1 says that this always comes. Always there. That is the main difference between that one. Everybody? So this is, I can say, most important one, and previous one is also important one. You will understand what we are doing to identify DCFL and CFL. Okay. Yeah. So can I say this is DCFL? Yes, but it is also not regular. The reason is you have a dependency. Yeah, good point. Next one. This time sum of this is equal to this one. Look at that. Again 2 counts only. But this time, what do? Push. Now no need to push a's. You can push x also. B's also you can push x. Because anyhow I don't care a or b. But first a's should come, then b's. Then pop x. If really it is m plus n, all the x's will pop, then dollar comes, z naught should be there, you go to final. Yeah. Infinite logics are there, no need to push a. You can also do other way. That everybody does, okay, push a's. That is another logic. Push a's, for this push b's, every b 1b, and here first if b's are there, pop b's. When the b's are over, you will get a's, then pop a's. Every c pop b, as long as b is there, then every c pop a. Yeah. So anyhow it is, there are 2 logics. Second logic, first logic. And it is DCFL, no doubt about it. But not regular. Yeah, 7th one. Next, 8th. Same kind of concept. Now this sum of b and c is equal to total number of a's. Blindly what do you do? In beginning, all the a's push as it is, m plus n a's push. If you want to push x, you can also push x, no problem. B, just pop. But how can you guarantee n? N we don't know. Whenever the b's are over, c comma a happens, that time the n value is happened. Then when c comma a comes, after some time start popping a's. When dollar comes, if really these two are equal to this sum of this total a's, then dollar comma z naught definitely happens, then go to final. So it is the DCFL. Look at guys, I'm not saying how the DCFL, I'm showing you behind the reason. Remember that. People say A is we push, B is we pop. ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I'm trying to clearly showing that how deterministically you can do push, how deterministically you can do pop. Right. So DCFL. So I can say it in the exam. I can say still CFL. But don't say ever CFL but not DCFL is wrong. CFL is right. But don't say CFL but not a DCFL because it is already DCFL. So choose the statements carefully. Fine. Next one. In the previous session we have designed some problem. Did you remember that? In the previous session, C, A power n, B power n, union. Did you remember this? If the first symbol is B, if the first symbol is C, your logic here belongs to this one only. If the first symbol is D, the next logic is depends to this one only. You are so clear. So it was a DCFL. It was a DCFL. It is not regular only. Everybody? Because dependency there now. You have a dependency, right? You have a dependency, right? Yeah. It is DCFL. Now, first one. Here, first A comes without a D. That means whatever it is belongs to this one only. But if the first symbol is D, then whatever next, that must be belongs to second type. But you are clear. Is the first symbol is A or D? You are able to identify, is it A power n, B power n, or it is D A power 2n, B power n. It's definitely DCFL because already we proved both are DCFL. Now, first symbol again able to identify B is equal to A's or B is half of the A's. So it is also DCFL. Now you may ask, sir, when will be this is not DCFL? Right? You may ask that. When will be it is not DCFL? यहाँ पर अगर D नहीं है, suppose you don't have a D, तो क्या होगा? What will happen? ऐसे वाली situation. इसको how do you write it guys? A power I, B power J. एक बोल रहा है equal. This is equality. I is equal J case. And second one, I is a twice. I is equal to 2J. Or I is equal to J. I, J greater than or equal to 0. Now that means first A you can push. You can push all the A's. But this B, if you push I A's, now I B's may come or half of the A's may come. Then how do you do that? Then you must take two different paths. This is the path 1, a different transition. This is another path with a different transition. Same input top of the stack, but you might doing different logic. Okay, this is, what is it? CFL, no doubt, but not DCFL. Because same B, you have to take two paths. One path to verify I is equal to J, other path to verify I is equal to J. That makes a non-determinism. Clear this point guys? Quick. Yeah. And guys, don't forget to like this session. Don't forget to like this session. Please do that. Clear? Okay, because here you don't have anything to differentiate which string is coming. Yeah, if C, D is there or at least D is there, you can identify. Yeah. And note, some people are, you are talking about NDCFL, right? CFL also called as non-deterministic CFL. Remember that. Non-deterministic CFL, you can call NDCFL. CFL synonym is NDCFL. Alright. I only say CFL, but you can assume NDCFL. Now A power prime. And you know, it's over one symbol, right? Over one symbol, stack is useless. You don't need the stack to understand. Stack is useless to recognize. That means the stack, suppose everybody A is coming. Which A you will push, which A you will pop. Right? There is no use of the stack when you have only one symbol. Remember, if you have two symbols, at least A power n, A power n. At least will tell you that to separate your logic, push, then change your logic, skip, then start popping. But if I have only A's, and that too prime number of A's, it's just like over one symbol, over one symbol, 2 points. Every regular, obviously every regular is CFL, and every not regular also not CFL. That means over one symbol, regular languages, context-free languages, there is no difference in the world. Both will be same. If I ask you, L1 is equal to set of all languages, all regular languages over sigma is equal to A, and L2 is equal to set of all CFLs over sigma is equal to A, then here L1 is equal to L2, because there is no difference between regular language and context-free language if you have only one symbol. Shubhasri, that is already over in the previous chapter, guys. Is it already over? Why are you asking unnecessary doubts which was already completed? A power prime whole star is already regular. We proved in the first chapter itself. Then what is the use of it? It is the DCFL, it is the CFL, everybody know. It is just, complement of A. This is just a complement of A. You can say that A star minus A. And for that you can design a DFA. We did in the first chapter itself. Okay. Remember that. Clear this point? But this one is not regular and also not CFL. And Devraj, please watch the previous session. Go to the identification of regulars, how we solved it. How to identify regular. We have already solved it. Okay, please watch the video. If you don't get it, you can ask me anytime. Okay, forgot it, please go and watch the video, and please, the concepts we can repeat if it takes few minutes or seconds. Okay, but that takes at least 10 minutes to explain to you if you are a beginner. Fine, guys. Okay, this was already discussed in the first chapter itself. Okay, now new concept is introduced. Okay, now if you want, 10th is over. Yeah, 10th is over. Now if you want, okay, let me write here. Now I have star. Let's say as you want a star, let me explain if you forgot. Okay, what is the meaning of this? A power prime, right? A power prime, right? It's just like A power 2, comma, A power 3, A power 5, A power 7, A power 11 and whole star. That is the meaning of L. Now, do you get epsilon? Yes, because of power 0 is there. And do you get a 1A? You can't, because inside there is no 1A. But A power 2? Yes. A power 3? Yes. But A power 4, how do you get? A power 4, you can take A power 2, that is 2 times. 2 times. Look at that, star is anything. And A power 2 I take twice. How do you get A power 5? Already there. A power 6, there are two ways. A power 2, I can take how many times? 3 times. Or I can take A power 3, because 3 is also there here, 2 times. Yeah. So, and after that everybody comes, guys. Now here, you can say that except 1A, everybody there. You can write expression. How? Epsilon A square. Then after that, A star. Look at that. I am showing you regular expression. So if you want to design a machine, just like this. Single A don't accept. But everybody else is accept. Double A and after that everybody. This is the DFA. What do you want more than this? DFA is there. Regular expression is there. That's all. fine. Go on. So can I say this is a regular? If it is a regular, it is DCFL, it is a CFL. Clear? Yeah. Next one. Come on guys. Next one. Now a power n. This a, what do? Push blindly. But this b, what do? For this, logic is different. For this, logic is different. How different? Here, you need to guarantee that number of b's equal to 2 times number of a's. 2 times number of a's. Here, you need to guarantee number of a's is equal to 2 times number of b's. Both are different. Here, in this language, after epsilon, if 1a comes, 2 b's may come, or 1b comes, 2 a's may come. Both kinds of strings are there. Then here it is CFL, because you need to take the 2 paths to understand these 2 kinds of strings. It is a CFL but not a DCFL. If it is a DCFL, for the B you should have only one logic. Either come, right? You can't have 2 logics. 2 non-deterministically you have to take, right? You need to take 2 non-deterministic transitions. Fine. CFL but not DCFL. There is a non-deterministic choice for that combination, B comma A. Everyone? Okay. Next. Oh, very difficult. Now this one, number of A's less than or equal to number of B's are 2 times number of B's. That is, number of A's is either equal to B's or 2 times of B's. Are you clear? Then here you have to take the choices. Deterministically anyhow not possible. So but non-deterministically you can do this. I will show you grammar how. You know, yes, I can have 1A, 1B, 1A, 1B, 1A, 1B, every 1A, 1B. Otherwise, A's can be twice. That means 2A, S, 1B. For 1B, you can have 2 A's or 1A. Example, if I have 2 B's, I can have 2 A's, I can have 3 A's, I can have maximum 4 A's. But how do you get all of them? For this, straightforward. S, again substitute ASB, then double A, S, double B, then stop S. Then you will get double A, double B. Then how do you get here? First you take anything, either ASB or WSB. The next, take this S, take the second production. That is AB already there. Now you take WASB. Then you will get triple A, double B. And this one, 2 times substitution, take the second production. That is, first time you start with WASB. Again you do WASB only. Then this time you see A power 4 B square. Right? So here, deterministically not possible, but non-deterministically you can design. This is also CFL, but not a DCFL. CFG have shown, but I can't show you DPDA here. DPDA not exist. No DPDA for this. But why do you know it is a PDA exist? Because I am showing you context-free grammar. Yes, PDA you can design. You can try and at home, guys. Homework, take the homework and try to design it. PDA. We'll understand what kind of non-determinism comes here. Yes. And if you are watching this video, please don't forget to like the session. Please do that, guys. Please do that. Okay, next one. M is equal to n square. Means it's just like A power n, B power n square. Can you understand n square in arbitrary length? Unknown n value? It is already not possible. Over one symbol, there is no formation of AP. One symbol, you can't understand. What you can understand? A power n, B power 2n, A power n, B power 3n. Such things you can understand. But how can I understand n square? It's not possible using stack. And this is straight away not CFL. Already it was not regular. Now it is not CFL, guys. It is not CFL. But it is a CSL, context sensitive language. Yes. Context sensitive. context sensitive. Now look at this one. A power n, m is 100 times. This time you can do, what do you do? Every a you can push 100 a's. You can do that. 100 is a constant, but previously n square a's you can't say. You should say 100 or 1000, but n square is unknown term. N square is unknown term. Every a push 100 is a constant. You can do always. Right. So this here every b pop 1a because you already have 100 times of number of a's. So every b just pop 1a. Every b just pop 1a. So when dollar comes, when dollar comes, the top of the stack Z0 should come. So this is a DCFL. It is DCFL. DCFL, guys. Okay, likewise, we have many languages to learn, guys. Likewise. So I'm going to talk something about it. You know, L is a language. What is it? What we have learned today? If the language is already regular, don't worry, is it finite or not? It is definitely DCFL. So definitely CFL. So definitely CSL, and so on. And if L is not regular, then we have to worry about it. Yeah, L is not regular, then it might be, yeah, just think about, I have clearly told you, right? A power n, b power 2n. I have shown you a machine, right? Same machine you take. What do you do? A comma Z0. Previously you were pushing 2 a's. Now what do you do? A power 100 Z0. And a comma a power 100, already a is there. A power 101. When b comes, this 2, you have 100. That's all. Sorry. Yeah, we designed, you just need to map. You need to map b comma a pop, b comma a pop over. And when dollar comes, Z0 should be there. And go to the final. If epsilon comes, dollar Z0. This is the machine. This is the DPDA. How DCFL AS. This is how it is. It is DPDA. It is DPDA. Clear this point? Everybody, anybody who do not know about this problem, this is the DPDA. When you know a power n, b power 2n, in place of 2 you have 100. Yes, come on. Not regular, you have two things. One, it can be DCFL or it can be not DCFL. If it is DCFL, don't do much. CFL, so it can go for CSL, anything you can answer. And not DCFL is two types. It can be CFL, it can be not a CFL. Might be many reasons. If it is CFL, you can say CSL. If it is not CFL, and that's all. I can't proceed. It may be CSL or it may be not CSL. That is how you can answer it. If you want to see one example everywhere, regular. This side, you can take finite language, or you can take A star, B star, right? These are the best examples here for the first one. And for the second one, DCFL, you can take like just A power n, B power n. That's third example. And for this one, third point, CFL but not DCFL. You know, W power R, where W belongs to A comma B whole star. We designed the machine in the last class. W power R. And not CFL, you have many choices, guys, like, you know, A power prime, or you can have A power n, B power n, C power n. So many problems. Everybody, so you have to focus on all the choices. The language can lead to any side, right? You must have a focus. Is it regular? Then answer is over. Is it DCFL? Answer is over. Is it CFL? Answer is over. So remember, you must have a clarity what you are trying to do. Okay, guys, I will stop here, but in the next class, we are going to start closure properties, and we will have a practice on this in the coming weekends, remember. So please attend the practice session, and anybody want to take the subscription, please don't forget what are the benefits you have, live classes and many batches you have. Any batch you can attend, any course from any educator, it's completely, absolutely free, and you can remember the code DEVALIVE, right? It's not just me, any educator. It's not for my beneficiable. It is for you. And DEVALIVE is you can access to any educator in GATE segment. In computer science, you can go to any educator, any course, and you can use this referral code to get the benefit of 10%. Every educator course you can access, every batch you can attend, every course you can attend, every test series you can attempt. There is no limitation. Yeah. All right. So if you wanted to get any, if you don't know how to prepare for GATE, you need a guidance all the time, then go for Iconic. Like second year, first year people, they are just new and they want right direction. Then Iconic, you will have a coach assigned, so he will be helping all the time how to crack, how to prepare well, and you will have a separate material. You will have study plan and so many benefits with Iconic. Okay, so take care of that. And this is my profile, and please follow unacademy.com/devagatecsc to access my free classes. And this is our Telegram channel. You can subscribe to get daily updates from us. And you have so many YouTube channels on Unacademy. You can, since this is our channel, you can refer to your friends. If you have any friends from civil, mechanical, or any other branch that you see, and please refer these channels to your friends so that they can also learn like you and let them benefit. Yeah, thank you so much, and don't forget to like, and please like the session and share and also subscribe. And thank you so much for attending today's session. See you guys at 9:30. I have a session today that is a relation topic, relation of set theory, and how many types of relations, what is a relation, how to find the number of relations, and transfer closure. So many things we are going to learn 2 hour session today on Unacademy. If you want, you can come to Unacademy to attend free session. This is a completely free session. Okay. If any code is asked, you can enter DEVALIVE. Okay, remember this code. Bye bye. See you guys.